This key finder comes with 1 remote and 4 receivers to help locate lost items like keys, wallets, phones, and pets. It works up to 131 feet away with an 80 decibel sound and a built-in LED flashlight to find items in the dark. Batteries are included for longer use and it can pass through walls and obstacles, easy to use with color-coded buttons and simple setup. Need to keep track of temperature and humidity. This device monitors your indoor environment, updating every 10 seconds for accurate readings. It displays temperature and humidity highs and lows, helping you keep your home comfortable. The air comfort indicator shows whether conditions are dry, comfortable, or wet at a glance. You can use it in many places like your living room, greenhouse, or kitchen. This smart robot MOP cleans your floors efficiently and effectively control it remotely through the app, create cleaning schedules and target specific areas for spot cleaning. The Precision Jet Spray tackles sticky messes and kitchen grease. While the VSAM navigation ensures thorough coverage, it automatically recharges and resumes cleaning so you don't have to lift a finger. This robot MOP is compatible with select Roomba robot vacuums for a complete cleaning solution. This toaster oven combines air frying, baking, grilling, and more in one appliance. It uses a fan system to cook food evenly and quickly, making it versatile for meals like pizza, chicken, or fries. The heating elements can be adjusted to focus heat where you need it, ensuring precise cooking. It includes pre-programmed settings to make everyday tasks simple. The digital display makes controls easy to understand and operate. These smart goggles let swimmers and triathletes track real-time metrics like heart rate, distance, and stroke rate on a transparent display. They come with a premium anti-fog design, adjustable nose bridges, and comfortable silicone seals for a snug fit. With a built-in digital compass, they help you stay on course during open water swims. This fingerprint doorknob combines security and convenience in a sleek and modern design. Unlock your door with your fingerprint, the app, or a backup key, manage fingerprints and access logs through the app. 3 different modes: entrance, passage, and security offer flexible access control. The built-in rechargeable battery provides long-lasting power. Easy installation makes it a quick and simple upgrade for your home security. This electric smart plug transforms your ordinary appliances into smart devices. Control your lights, fans, and other electronics remotely using your smartphone or voice commands. No hub is required, making setup quick and easy. Schedule on-off times, create routines, and monitor energy usage with a 15-amp capacity. This plug handles a variety of devices. Enjoy the convenience and energy savings of a connected home. This electric ceramic griddle features a 1500-watt heating system and cool touch handles for safe and efficient cooking. Its ceramic non-stick coating is reinforced with titanium, making it durable, scratch-resistant, and free from harmful chemicals. Designed with a built-in ledge with a backstop for easy pancake flipping and a removable temperature probe for precise control, the non-stick surface allows for easy cleanup after use. This hot dog toaster is the ultimate kitchen gadget for hot dog lovers. Toast up to 2 regular-sized or extra plump hot dogs and 2 buns simultaneously, achieving perfect grilling results every time. The adjustable toasting timer and stop button give you complete control over the cooking process, ensuring your hot dogs are cooked to your exact preference. Safety is paramount with the included mini tongs and hot dog cages, allowing you to handle the hot dogs and buns without burning your fingers. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the slide-out drip tray, and the convenient cord wrap keeps your countertop clutter-free. This hot dog toaster is a must-have for quick, easy, and delicious hot dog meals. This power supply control adapter brings convenience and control to your desktop PC experience. No more reaching under your desk or fumbling for the power button on your computer tower. With this handy adapter and its 2-meter long cable, you can power your computer on and off from a comfortable distance. Installation is a breeze thanks to the included instructions and adhesive stickers. Simply connect the power switch connectors to your motherboard, stick the adhesive plate in a convenient location, and you're ready to go. Its compact and lightweight design ensures it won't clutter your workspace, while the extended cable provides ample reach. This simple yet effective solution simplifies your daily computer interactions. Looking to create a peaceful atmosphere, this tabletop water fountain features 3 tiers of water that flow to mimic the sounds of a small waterfall, bringing a calming touch to any room. The included tea light candles add soft romantic lighting made to look like weathered stone. The fountain also includes real river stones for a natural look. This kitchen faucet offers touchless operation with 2 sensors for hands-free water flow. It includes power, clean spray technology for 50% more cleaning power, and a retractable spray head with smooth movement. The spore-resistant stainless finish resists fingerprints and water spots. It works with 1 or 3 hole installations and comes with flexible supply lines. This label maker simplifies organization with its versatile and user-friendly design. Create custom labels for everything from home storage and pantry items to office files and school supplies. The Bluetooth connectivity allows you to design and print labels directly from your smartphone. Choose from a wide variety of fonts, symbols, and frames to personalize your labels. The thermal printing technology eliminates the need for ink or toner, saving you money and reducing waste. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to take on the go. This food dehydrator dries out meat, fruit, vegetables, and other foods by removing moisture. It has 9 trays that you can load up with, whatever you want to dry, and a clear door so you can see the process without opening it. The temperature goes from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, and you can set a timer for up to 19.5 hours. Air circulates evenly inside to make sure everything dries at the same rate without overheating. Tired of the heat? This portable air conditioner provides 10,000 BTU of cooling power, perfect for rooms up to 300 square feet. It also includes a dehumidifier mode to reduce moisture and improve air quality, making your space more comfortable with 3 modes: cooling, dehumidifying, and fan. It's easy to adjust the settings using the remote control or the Wi-Fi app. This is a manual spice grinder designed to easily cut dried chills and spices for your cooking. It features a precise cut mechanism, ensuring spices are cut evenly every time. The durable stainless steel blades make quick work of herbs, while the elegant acrylic body adds a touch of style to your kitchen. Its design allows for easy filling and cleaning, making it convenient to use.